Hey guys, it's Deja, aka Sunny D, and in today's video we're making Southern baked mac and cheese. This is one of my Sir, stop. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Deja, aka Sunny D, and in today's video we're making Southern baked mac and cheese. Now this is one of my absolute favorite sides. I've loved mac and cheese since I was a little kid, so I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So you need sharp cheddar cheese, a box of your choice of pasta. I chose corkscrew, some whole milk, all-purpose flour, some salt and pepper, at least a 1/4 cup of butter or margarine, your teaspoon and tablespoon, a pot, another pot to cook your sauce in, as well as a pan to put in the oven. You're also going to need a cup measure as well. So I'm just starting by putting my oven on 350 to preheat. And next I'm going to go ahead and turn my back burner on high. I've already filled my pot up with water, so I'm just going to wait until it boils. I put in some salt to season the pasta, and once it starts coming to a rolling boil, I pour in the pasta. Then I let that cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, and I'm stirring it every now and then so they don't stick together. Now once the pasta is all done, you want to turn the stove off or just take it off the burner and go ahead and drain your pasta and then just set it aside. Now I'm putting the same burner on 5 and melting my 1/4 cup of butter in the pan. I went ahead and put a little bit of pepper in that butter. Went ahead and put 3 tablespoons of flour in a little cup so it'll be easier for me to stir in. Next, I'm grabbing a whisk and I'm putting in the flour in increments so that it doesn't get too clumpy. And next I'm going to take my 2 cups of milk and stir it in gradually so that it gets nice and smooth. And then once that's all incorporated, I go ahead and let that sit for a little bit on 5, maybe about a couple minutes. Then I'm going to turn this down to low and let it go for about a minute. Then once that's done, turn the heat off, and I'm using 2 cups of shredded cheese. I put in 1 cup first and mix it in until it's melted. Then I put in the 2nd cup and stir until that's melted as well. Once that's all incorporated, I went ahead and poured it over my pasta and made sure every piece of pasta was covered. So I went ahead and stirred that so it was all covered evenly. And next I am going to be taking about another 1.5 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm making a nice layer of that cheese on top because we're going to put it in the oven for a little bit. Now I'm putting it in the oven on the 2nd rack. I'm going to let it bake for about 23 minutes. Put it on the top shelf and let it broil on low for 2 minutes. And this is how it came out. It was so freaking good. I still have half a pan. It's only Tuesday. I made this on Sunday night. It's not as cheesy as I would have liked because I didn't put the little cubes of cheese in there like I normally would. But yeah, and here's me taking another scoop for tonight's dinner. That first scoop was for my lunch for the next day. And here's what that browning is looking like. It's so good. All right, so what do you think? I think it's delicious. It's very delicious. I've been eating it since I made it. When did I make it? Sunday night. It is Tuesday night. Half the pan is already gone. I literally could eat mac and cheese all day, every day, for the rest of my life if I wouldn't have a bunch of health problems. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this or videos about my health journey, go ahead and subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified of any video that I post. If you made it this far in the video, I want you guys to comment down below, what is your must-have side dish or main dish for the holidays? Or it can be a dessert, it doesn't matter. What is your must-have dish for the holidays? Personally, mine is mac and cheese, because I love mac and cheese. I have a lot actually. Mac and cheese, sweet potato pie, red velvet cake, and dressing. So I hope you guys enjoy your holidays with your family. And if you're not able to be with your family, or you choose not to be with your family, I hope you have a wonderful holiday and you are safe. And if you're feeling a little lonely, I will still be posting shorts every day, so you can come on to my channel every day to get a little bit of sunshine. If you also have any suggestions as to what you want to see me make, or anything you want to see me attempt to make, please leave it in the comment section, and I'm definitely going to read it. I read all of my comments. Also, I want to go ahead and let you guys know I am actually going to start incorporating at least one more video per week, so there would be minimum 2 per week. There's going to be a video on Mondays and Fridays. Mondays is going to be my motivational Monday video, and on Fridays we're going to do Foodie Fridays. So that's when you're going to find your recipes. So keep an eye out for those videos. I'm actually really excited to do it because I've been wanting to post more frequently. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. So yeah, bye guys.